Okay, you want to get out or you want to stay there?
I'll get out.
All right, let's do it.
Where are your students?
So, yeah, but we got them online too. So, okay, so my first question is, what do you do?
I'm a salesman.
Salesman. I love salesmen. So, salesman, business, industry, or is it for any specific kind of sales?
I work for the tire industry.
Oh, wonderful. The tire industry.
Yes.
Okay. So, are you a boss or are you an employee?
I'm an employee.
You're an employee?
Yes.
Okay, so which role do you prefer? The role of the boss or the role of the employee?
I prefer the employee. I'm not equipped to be a boss.
Why are you saying that? Why do you say that?
I'm too nice.
Uh-huh. Can't be a nice guy and be the boss, huh?
No.
Okay, good. But we do need nice people at the front. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Are you happy with your job?
Yes.
Okay, tell us why.
I've been doing it a long time. I know what I'm doing. I have customers that are I consider friends, and it's rewarding when we're successful.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so you feeling like you would never change your career if you did? Have you ever been interested to change your career or
No,
not?
no, I wouldn't know what else to do.
Okay, so what is it about the tire industry that makes it so fascinating, and it makes you want to stay there a long time?
It's a dependable industry.
Yes.
Everybody needs tires.
We all need it for sure.
So, there's a lot of security in that.
Right, right. So was there ever a day for you that you just said, I know I'm in the right industry. I just love the way that interaction made me feel?
I don't know if there was an actual day, but yes, there have been times where I'm grateful that I fell on this industry.
Yes. Can you give us one time that would be helpful for our young business mentors, entrepreneurs, or young people who might want to get into that tire business?
Well, I wouldn't recommend the tire business exactly, but my father always felt I would be good in sales, and I'm glad he saw that in me. It was very wise of him. I wanted to be Mick Jagger. I wanted to be a rock star, and he realized that probably wasn't going to make me much money. I'm glad I'm especially in sales in an industry that is dependable.
Okay, are you good at it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What makes you good at it? What was one thing that you realized, wow, I'm good at
Persistence.
this?
Persistence and continuity. Doing the same thing every day. Not necessarily the same thing, but showing up and being tenacious.
Right.
Because in sales, you do get rejected. There's times where people don't want to talk to you.
Yes.
There's times where, your product isn't necessarily work in a certain situation. So you have to be able to handle rejection. So sometimes the highs are very high.
Right.
The lows can be very low.
Right.
So you have to learn to live with that.
So when did you learn to live with it? Because not everyone can do sales, like you said.
I had a mentor. There was.
That's what we're talking about.
There was somebody that I reported to, and he was patient with me, and he spent a lot of time. Yeah. And took his time to really teach me about the business and about sales and about the ups and downs and
Okay, I want you to look right there at that camera and tell those students one thing that your mentor taught you that really made a big difference.
That really made a big difference?
Yes.
You're putting me on the spot right now.
I want them to get something. One thing.
Just one thing.
Yes, if you can just give us one thing that they taught, a slogan that they said, something that they did that you saw or that you learned, and you go, oh, I know it. That's because of my mentor.
I forgot more than I remember.
Yes.
But again, the highs are very high and the lows can be very low. So that's one thing that would be a takeaway.
Wow.
Is there any one thing right here, right now, and
that you can just think of right here? Okay.
We need to talk for another hour.
Okay. So then let me go on to my next question. What can you do if your job doesn't make enough money? So let's say you felt like, man, it was low. So then what would you do?
The good thing about sales is that a lot of times your rewards are commensurate with your output, your production. It's performance driven.
Right.
So If you sell, you get paid. If you don't sell, you don't get paid.
Exactly.
So there's industries like being a car salesman. That's rough. You don't get paid. If you don't sell a car, you don't get paid. You know, that's very difficult to do. What was the question again?
So if what can you do if you don't get enough money? Like now it's low this month.
Work harder.
You didn't get your money.
Work harder. Work harder. Put your head down. Work harder. Keep at it.
Okay.
Stay persistent.
And just stay in the game. So last question. What is a happy lifestyle to you?
What's a happy lifestyle?
Yes.
Watching TV.